Hello everybody. Oh. Just damping the work surface here a little bit. Hi, welcome. Yeah, it's the 12th of November and I'm just going to give this lump of clay a few turns here. When we do our workshops here, one of the things I quite often do is play a video that you can find on YouTube. It's a rather nice video of Michael Cardew. Michael Cardew is he's dead now, but he was an old English potter. You know, he was actually my granddad's first student at St. Ives. And there's a nice video of him. If you look up Michael Cardew, C-A-R-D-E-W, and he's sort of like sat down and he's looking at this big kind of a big picture, a big sort of yellowish picture, and he's describing it. But he goes on to talk about a bit later about wedging or kneading, how to do spiral kneading. It's worth looking at. It's kind of nice. Anyway, yeah, I already kneaded this actually, so I'm just giving it a few more turns and just finishing it off. You sort of like wind it up into itself so that it begins to look more like that. Do it a little bit carefully just at the end here, just down towards the point. Try not to trap there and there. And then, if you do it right, you end up with a cone. So, what I wanted to do, I'm actually just going to weigh up some lumps for. I can get these scales to turn on. Aha. Yeah. It's going to weigh these up for 12 ounces. Now usually when I'm teaching a workshop, I see everybody always reaches for their wires to carefully cut off what they think is 12 ounces. It's very difficult to do it like that using your wire. So I recommend don't use a wire, okay? Don't use a wire for this part. So what we're going to do is going to pull off 12 ounces, okay? Let's see if I can do it. Put my hand there like that. And with your fingers closed like that, you pull the lump across like that. You see, nice and cleanly. Put it on the scales. Not bad. 12.69. 12.69. So we're just going to take a little bit off till we get it down to. I like to get it like 12.05 or less. That's 12.02. You see. And then that goes into a bag like that. Now, having done one, I get the feel of it, you see, what one weighs. That's what you don't get when you use a wire. You don't get the feel. You can't feel anything, can you, when you're just doing it like that? So you're just guessing. Whereas as I've already done one, I'm weighing it. Now I'm going to pull off another lump. Yeah, you don't always get it. 13 ounces, that is. It's just a bit over. But I can get quite quick at this, you see, 12.02. Just be careful with little lumps that you add them back without trapping air. Put that one next to the other one and push it together, you see. 11.67. Too bad. Okay. 11.99. You see? My initial guess was that 11.69. I was only out by that much. Do you see what I mean? It's not much, is it? Put that next to the other one. Push them together. That's really important, because if you don't, I guarantee they roll off onto the floor. Okay? 12.97. 12.97. 12.2. 12.02. So that was the error on that one, you see. Just that you can do this. This is a little less, I think. 11.18. Add a bit more. 11.42. 11.85. 12.06. Okay, so these little lumps here, these little pieces, you just got to be careful with these, because you can trap air, you see. And that one. 11.6. 11.6. 12.3. See, sometimes it's not very much. Okay, just add that little piece, that's all. $12.4. 12.16. 12.09. 12.02. Okay, so that was the error on that one. 0.02. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's all I'm doing, because what I'm going to do is, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop the video right there, because I want to go on now and do something else, and that will then, if I add that onto this already, what I've done here, will make it rather long. So I'm going to cut this one short right now, but I'm going to go right on to the next video. Okay, so hey, thanks for watching, keep practicing, I'll see you in the next video. If you need to come on a workshop, we have this next weekend, 17th and 18th of November 2018, we do have a workshop, keep practicing workshop this weekend coming. So we have only 3 people, so if you wanted to come, there'll be plenty of space in the workshop here. If that grabs you, give me a shout. Okay, right, we're going to stop this video and I'm going to go straight on with the next one. Okay, hey, keep practicing, see you soon. Dee, dee, dee.